Guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be doing some cleaning hacks, things that you can do around your house, and so I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So my first hack is with my blinds and how I clean my blinds. I do this every so often just because I really don't like cleaning my blinds, and so I just get a microfiber cloth and some tongs, and I wrap it around the tongs, and I get my hair ties and tied around, and I go by each section and start cleaning each one. So I just wanted to say thank you so much for supporting me and just watching my videos and subscribing. And I know I probably sound a little different, but I'm a little under the weather, so just bear with me in this video. I'm trying my very best to pronounce the words correctly and so you can understand me. I know I have an accent and a deep southern accent, and so just kind of bear with me, and I hope you enjoy the rest of this video. My next hack is how I clean up in the top of my ceilings where you can get spider webs. I just take another cloth and I wrap it around my broom, and then I tie it off with my hair tie, and this is an easier way to clean up the tops of my ceilings. I'm showing you my air vent, and it's time for me to change out my air filter. So since I need to change it out, I'm going to go ahead and clean my air vent, and it's real simple to take off. They just hook on, and so I unhook it, and then I take it to my sink, and I just use my Mrs. Meyer's dish soap, and I just clean it out that way. And another thing, it makes it smell really good. So my little hack right here, I use my butter knife and a dish rag, and I put it around the butter knife, and it's easier to get into the little cracks there and kind of clean and to dry. Really, I'm just drying that off. I've already scrubbed it down, so it's just easier that way to kind of get in between to clean, to dry, sorry. And so that's another little hack. So as you can tell, I've been using my Q-tips to kind of clean in the little cracks and the little holes that I couldn't get my brush to go in. And guys, I'm telling you, they are game changers because they work wonders when you're just trying to get into like small areas but you can't really get a rag into. And so they are amazing. And so now I'm going to go up top while that is drying, and I'm just going to clean around. And again, I'm going to be using my Q-tips to clean into the small areas as well. So my next hack is a quick way to kind of clean your furniture is by using this lint roller. And if you watch any of my videos, you always see me use my lint roller. I kind of use it pretty much like either every other day or sometimes every day, just because I have a dog and he sheds like crazy, and so using my lint roller is kind of an easier way for me to kind of get that pet hair up really quickly without having to pull out a vacuum cleaner. And so this little technique is really simple, it's really easy, and you can get a lint roller from the Dollar Tree. So this last hack is like a game changer, guys. I'm so glad I found out about this. But you take a pillowcase and you pull off the dust from your ceiling fan, and now you don't have to have dust falling everywhere, flying on top of you. And of course, I had to use a ladder to get up to my ceiling fan, so this right here was amazing. I'm so glad I found out about this hack, and of course I wanted to share it with you guys just in case you didn't know about this hack. And I'm telling you, it changes the game for cleaning. So this is definitely something that I'm so happy that I found out about. My last video is just showing you what the inside of the pillowcase looks like. But thanks again, guys, for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See ya.